Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Dell is plugged in or has at least 20% battery, because long recordings drain power. Once done, close background apps to free CPU and disk bandwidth so capture is smooth. Now open the Xbox game bar with Win plus G for a quick built-in recorder, or launch OBS if you need higher control. Choose OBS for multiple sources. Make sure you set screen resolution and frame rate before recording to avoid rework later. You now configure capture options so your footage looks and sounds right. First, set resolution to your laptop's native display and pick 30 or 60 FPS depending on performance. Higher FPS is smoother but uses more CPU. Next, choose audio, system sound, microphone, or both, and run a quick test so one source isn't too loud. If using OBS, add a display capture source, lock scaling, and pick an encoder, hardware for efficiency, software if quality is priority. You're ready to record. Hit record and pause for 2 or 3 seconds to capture context before action, then proceed with your demo. When finished, stop recording, preview the clip, and trim obvious dead time in a simple editor before exporting to MP4 or MKV. If playback or recording stutters, make sure to lower FPS, switch to the hardware encoder, or close heavy programs. Those fixes usually resolve dropouts. If audio is out of sync, remux or re-record the audio track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.